Well, hello there. The Doc is Hope here, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great week so far. So today we are going to do our April pattern haul. Are y'all ready? Okay, so let's get into it. We are in the thick of spring. The pollen is pollening. If y'all have allergies, I'm sorry. Get yourself some Claritin, some Zyrtec, or some Allegra. Don't let the pollen ruin your life, but it is spring. So here we are. The birds are chirping, the flowers are blooming, the sun is out. Aren't y'all happy to see the sun? I know I am. So anyway, today we're gonna get into these patterns, you guys. They are mostly from Butterick. I got some tops, I got some dresses, I got some separates. And it's just a whole smorgasbord of patterns, and I cannot wait to share them with you. So if you're ready for this pattern haul, let's go. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go. The first pattern I'm going to share with you is Butterick 6378. So I'm not going to lie, I went to Joann. I shared that video with y'all weeks ago, but I did pick up some patterns while I was there, and this is one of them. I found this gorgeous top pattern and I had to have it, and I couldn't believe I didn't already have it. So here we go. This is it here. Love, love, love this pattern with the tie front bow. You have different options. So A is the short sleeve version with the long tie. I love this. You have B, which is the long sleeve option with the long tie, and it's a thicker tie too. And you have like this nice gathering at the sleeve. And then C is a skinny tie with gathering at the sleeve and the hem. And then you have D, which is like it's the same skinny tie with the gathering at the sleeve but not at the hem. And then there's a high-low hem. I don't know if you can see that. High in the front, low in the back. So I love all of these. I think my favorite is A and B, but I love this top. So let's go ahead and talk about it, you guys. This is rated easy. This is your Mrs. Top and tunic. Pullover top and tunic have front yoke with gathers, V-neck with tie options, sleeve and hemline variations. So just like I told you, this pattern ranges from a 6 to a 22. Your suggested fabrics are your georgette, your challis, your crepe, and your rayon. So all your blouse fabrics, you can get those together and sew yourself up this top, honey. So you're gonna need some notions. You're gonna need some fusible interfacing, and then you're gonna need some elastic. So 3/8 inch elastic, and then 3/8 inch elastic for all views, but it depends on which view you're making, how much you're gonna need. So that's it. That's it for this. Love this pattern, you guys. So let me show you guys these line drawings. Yep, pretty straightforward. So here are the line drawings. So you have A here again, which is the tie, short sleeve. B, which is the long sleeve with the ties, and you see there's like a little gathering at the shoulder. That's gonna be pretty. C, we have the skinny tie with the long sleeve, and then D, we have the skinny tie with the long sleeve, but then C is gathered at the hem and D is not. So you got options here. I love all of these, but like I said, I think B is my favorite. So if you guys do not have Butterick 6378, pick up that pattern, sew yourself up a nice top for spring. Okay, y'all, the next pattern I'm gonna share with you is Butterick 6480. This dress is super cute. I'm just gonna show it to you. So here we go. This dress, so you have the short sleeve version with the skirt, and then you have the kind of 3/4 length sleeve with the skirt as well. And the colors, I love the colors too. So let's talk about this pattern. This has 11 pieces. It is rated easy. Your fabric suggestions are crepe, linen, sateen, gabardine, cotton blends, wool blends. So any of those you can choose to make this dress. I love the lines. Love the lines. I can't wait to show you guys the line drawing so you can see like the little like nuances there. So cute. Your notions, you're gonna need one 22-inch zipper and then a hook and eye. So not a whole lot for notions. You're also going to need some fusible interfacing. And for sizing, this pattern ranges from a 6 to a 22. So let me go ahead and show you guys these line drawings. Love, 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 love. And you're gonna see like the full effect. And it's actually, let's see, they showed us B and C, but there's an A too. And you can see the lines. So here we go. Here's your line drawings. A, you have the short sleeve version, but you see that cut right there? So look, these are the little nuances I was talking about. And then A even has a little bit of a slight V-neck. B, there's more lines. So you've got this split into 3 pieces and then a sleeve. And then C, you have it split into 3 pieces. And then there's a 3/4 length sleeve. So I love this, you guys. I absolutely adore this dress pattern. And it's gonna be so, so, so cute. I feel like the fit is gonna be amazing. And I can't wait, cannot wait. So definitely if you do not have Butterick 6480, pick that up, sew yourself up a really cute spring dress, you guys. All right, so the next pattern I'm gonna share with you, a new look pattern. So we're gonna take a pause on Butterick for a second, but we will come back. And I'm gonna show you guys this one from New Look. This is New Look 6793. This pattern is rated easy. I think this was like in the New Look fall drop. And it's a skirt. It's a skirt, you guys, and I love it. This one right here. Pretty sure you guys have seen this pattern before. But this is A, the short version, and then B, the long version, which the model is wearing. And it looks like there's a slit on the side. So either one of these would be very cute for spring. And it's a light fabric, so you can definitely wear it spring, probably fall as well. So love, love, love this pattern. Let's talk about it. This is your Mrs. skirt in 2 lengths. This pattern ranges from a 6 to an 18. Again, it is easy. The short sleeve version does not have a slit, but the long sleeve the short version does not have a slit, but the long version does. You're gonna need interfacing, and that is it it's probably gonna be for the waistband. So let's go ahead and get into these line drawings, you guys. So here we go. Here are our line drawings. A is the short skirt, and you see that like super cute ruffling there. Not really ruffling, but it's kind of just the fall of the fabric or the drape of it. And then B is the long sleeve version of the why I keep seeing sleeves. B is the long version of the skirt, and it has a slit. Can you see the slit right there on the side? So there's a zipper as well. I think I told you guys about the zipper. Yeah, your notions, you need a 7-inch invisible zipper and a hook and eye. So I'm glad we caught that. This skirt, I don't know if it's cut on the bias. Normally it is, but yeah, it's cut on the bias. So you already know that the fit is gonna be good. It's gonna hit the curves just right, cut on the bias. So if you guys do not have New Look 6793 and you want yourself a skirt, get yourself a skirt, you guys. Here, I did not tell you about the fabric, so let's talk about that real quick. That is going to be suggested fabrics are satin, crepe de chine, and challis. I love all those. I love some crepe de chine and I love some challis. So that's gonna be great. It's gonna be really cute. Okay, you guys, the next one I have for you is Butterick 6946. At first I didn't buy this pattern. I think I also got it in the Joann sale. But the more I looked at it, the more I was like, you know what? This pattern could do some things. I feel like it could really do some comfortable, stylish things. So let me show it to you. It's this separates. So you have the top and you have the shorts. And I really, really like it. I really like this version especially, A and C. There's something special about this. So let's talk about it. I think the differences here are the sleeve length and then the shorts length, but we'll see more in the line drawings what exactly is going on here. So this is your Mrs. Shirts and Shorts. This is rated easy. Your suggested fabrics for A and B are your chambray, your cotton shirting, your crepe, and your crinkle gauge. Okay, for C and D, they're suggesting a gabardine or a lightweight denim or a linen blend or a twill. You are going to need some lining fabrics and you're going to need some lightweight fusible interfacing for your notions. You're going to need some 1/2 inch buttons, and then you're also going to need 1 7-inch zipper and 1 hook and bar closure for the pants or the shorts. So let's go ahead and look at these line drawings, you guys. Here they are. So here we have A, which is, it looks like they cuffed it. So they cuffed it and they buttoned it, and then B is just left loose with the sleeves. And then we have C and D, which are the shorts, which C has a cuff, and then D just is hemmed, and D looks a little bit longer. So love all of these. I really think this pattern could be really cute. It has great potential. So if you guys do not have Butterick 6946, pick that up. Sew yourself up a cute set. You can sew it matching, monochromatic, or you can mix it like they did here and have yourself like a little Hamptons outfit. Who knows? Okay guys, so the last pattern I'm going to share with you today is Butterick 6680. Okay. Oh, I don't think I told you about sizing on that one. That one ranges from a 4 to a 20. Okay, so Butterick 6680. This is another dress and I love it. So here it is, Butterick 6680. Love, 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 love. Okay, so we have view A, which is the shorter version of this dress, and I'm going to show you again the lines and the nuances. And then we have view B, which is the longer version of the dress, and I adore this dress. So this dress has 8 pieces. It is rated easy. This is your Mrs. dress. Your fabric suggestions are your moderate stretch knits, such as your jersey, your interlock, your cotton knits, your rayon knits, all the knits. So definitely, you know, and ooh, wait till y'all see the line drawings because there's some ruching on the side. So for your notions, you're going to need some 1/4 inch elastic. This pattern ranges from a 6 to a 22. And let's look at the line drawings here. So here's the line drawings. Here are the line drawings. We have A, which is like a sleeveless with the ruching, and then it's in 2 pieces with like a bodice and skirt. And then you have B, which is the ruching, and then it's split into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And then C is the ruching, and then it's split into 3 pieces, but it's longer. So I love this. I love all the lines and intricacies again on this dress. So if you guys do not have Butterick 6680, pick that one up. Sew yourself up a cute dress. I mean, come on, how cute is that? For spring or summer, you guys. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. But like always, you guys let me know down below in the comments which one of these patterns is your favorite, which one you plan to pick up, which ones you already have, which ones you've already made. Anything you want to say about the patterns, let me know down below in the comments. All right, you guys, well, that is it for our April pattern haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoyed making this video for you. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so we can continue to hang out together and you guys can continue to catch these fun videos. All right, you guys, well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful weekend and happy sewing.